Excited ba kayo mag-ano, guys? We are Generative AI Philippines. So, well, Jen, may imbitahan ko sana lang kayo sa lahat. Purito mo, operating system, triangle, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang problema with those two models, they're forgetful after a certain number of sequences.
Let's see, for all that I do, I needed to have impactful productivity.
This is Splurge Art. This is how it looks like. So later, I'll share a QR code and I hope you guys can use it.
Jen!